The thing viral. Me have two viral news to talk about. Coming up, we're going to talk about a Rasta man who get caught red-handed, jerking off in a JUTC bus. Also, we're going to talk about a Jamaican. We get pies, my viewers and subscribe by my wife in a foreign. Rock and come in. Remember to please like, share, and subscribe for the latest news in a jam down. Now, my people, there's a viral video that is circulated on social media, seeing a Rasta man jerking off in a JUTC bus. It is very much disturbing, people. So if you don't want to see the video, you need to go on Moon 10 on Google, and then you guys can see the video. Right now, Selassie Vex. This big old ugly man, hey, you don't even know the people. And this video was recorded by a student. I know you have some people say, boy, them schoolgirl don't have nothing to do. At this them like to see and all these things. But trust me, people, if this schoolgirl never record this video, who would know that them things are going on the bus? We would have never known that them things are go on the bus. And my viewers, I wanted to myself, if the schoolgirl probably reported to the driver and make them kick him out of the bus or call police fee. This is very disturbing. Some man at the bus shall hold him and knock him up. I swear. It's disgusting, brother. Yeah. And that's why some people that like take public transportation. You have some people love drive them own vehicles and don't like take them bus, because of being nasty, it's going to bus and more and thing. Just imagine, my viewers. Just imagine you send your daughter, your son go school, and then them see how them sight ya. Them see how them make a nasty scene, my people. Jesus, please. Right now, Selassie hungry for him right now. Because no fun see a Rasta, a Rasta in pasta. You know you wear the Rasta with nothing at all back of that. You sell out, you grounds out, brother. Me not support them thing a youth. You have sense. If you want back, if you say go your yard, dog, go get a room or something, go get a girl, brother. You too nasty around here, so we not support them thing here. But you think more time some people afraid to take a bus because a beer thing go on a bus more time. And them say a Rasta man I best now, but you come on something definitely wrong with you. Is it you want a mental injection or what? If you're a madman I take bus. I mean, you hope to the people them report him to the authority. You hope to the people them report him nasty backside to the relevant authority. But them still want to go and you know that dirty stinking Rasta man here. Are front of the people them bust the nasty self. Very much disgusting, my viewers and subscribers. I swear. The thing look weird right now if you see the big man on the bus, yo. Jano. Hey, people, truly don't even know how I feel. How I feel cross for see yo, what that big man in the bus I do. And you have the people them now, where I come out and burn the schoolgirl and say, boy, she shouldn't record it. But things like these need to be recorded to the public for no public attention for no one go on. So police can get involved and lock him up. Lock up that brother here and teach him sense. If he mad, make him go Bellevue. Me not support nastiness or we not support slackness, my people. We don't have enough slackness to go on in the society already and thing. So we don't understand where him come from with this right about them, my viewers. So remember, please like and share and go across to Moon 10 Caribbean Loop and you see the full video over there, so of this Dutty Rasta man. Now we're going to move on now, people. We're going to talk about a Jamaican who it's alleged that his wife pies him. Papa Jesus. I swear. My viewers, on the forward, we're going to talk about that incident. We have to talk about this. We are going to talk about this. No, it's alleged, say, this young man, wife, pies him, brawling, ain't no joke thing. The man wife pies him, record the video, and send it to him family members them. Papa Jesus. And also again to my viewers, I get to understand that the two of them has been in the court system now and then. So them have them differences, my people. But may I tell you, them women are wicked. Them women have no heart. Them women no have no heart. Now, in the video, you can hear the woman talking about the Wingstop takeout. So that is some kind of food that is in America where she probably buy and put the pies in there and get rid of them. Viewers and subscribers, no sir, this not normal. Wow, wow, them woman not have no heart. A Jamaican man is alleged to have been poisoned by his wife in the United States. The deceased has been identified by the source close to the situation as Narvel. According to the source, he died last Friday at a New York residence after allegedly consuming food based on the footage. He had been eating takeout food order to the home. You see me? The 48-second video, which is going viral on social media, was allegedly recorded by Narvel wives during the incident. The footage shows the naked Jamaican man lying face down on the floor, partially inside a bathroom, while appearing to be in severe distress. The Wingstop takeout order and a basin can be seen near him in the video. Throughout the recording, a woman believed to be his wife is heard speaking from behind the camera, while Narvel can be heard gutting and struggling on the floor. Papa Jesus, my viewers, Jano. Them woman are ramping on my viewers and subscribers. Them woman in play. Now, my people, the family members them don't come out and put up much statement about the incident, but it's currently ongoing in court right about now, my viewers. But if the wife and the husband have something, this does not give her the right to do him this, people. Right or wrong, this does not give her the right to take the man 3 pints like this. We know, say you have different relationship, we have different problems and all kind of thing, my people, but this not worth it. I swear, my viewers, a wickedness this. A wickedness this. Wickedness can't done. Look how the man face down and look how the woman a record. Before the woman called the police, I already even authority and say, boy, my husband is in distress and thing, and why you come and help him out or so and so. She don't do none of them thing there. She just stand up on this record as the modern days people that write about now, my viewers and subscribers. It's sad. And it's very, very tragic for see what go on, for see how the people them nowadays live in the country. You see me, I say, some more time we not a heart, we no business. You see me? We have love in our heart, my viewers and subscribers, and this a match up the whole country. I swear. Oh my gosh. My viewers, Jano Star. Remember, people, you can see this video on Mountain also. Go over there and check it out. Now we are close up the show by saying again to RIP to P.B. Bryson, who died last night at the age of 75. You see me? P.B. Bryson is known for song Our New World and a lot more very, very cool songs. You see me, I say, people? And I must say that, you know, God keep and God protect the family in times like these. You know, 75 is not a bad age. You get me, I say? And it's very sad to see what really take place with him, my people. And we just have to put him in our prayers and wish the family nothing but the best. You see me? Because all you're good alone is good enough. So, sleep well, big singer. You see me? May God keep and guide and protect your family in times like these. Stay focused. Do the right thing. My viewers, subscribers, well-wishers, I'm out. Stay tuned. So I'm going to drop new vids, only get them first. Yeah, my people, I swear, wickedness can't done, you know. Wickedness can't done. Now, just to recap, my people, Rasta Man caught jerking off in JUTC bus. Also, Jamaican man poisoned by his wife in the United States of America. My viewers, also, P.B. Bryson later rest, should I say, P.B. Bryson passed away at the age 75. Get me, I say, yeah, RIP to his family. And those are the 3 stories that make up the viral news JA. So just remember to please like, share, Subscribe so we drop new vids. Only get them first. Remember that, people. My gone. Wickedness can't done.